So this is a continuation for RealmDB, a Realm database video. So last video we saw about this one, how to add a data and how to view the show data over here. So here we are going to see how to delete the data. We'll see the three things. So this is a tablet view. Uh, if you run the same thing, and the views will be different, so that doesn't matter, view doesn't matter. So when we click on the item, how to delete that, and how we can update those things, and how we can filter those things, all those things we'll see it in this video. Okay, so this is get all nodes. So we will have some category like gender categories. Okay, first let me show you how to delete the item. Okay, so we'll add the trash icon over here, spacer, and image, system name trash. Okay, foreground color black. Okay, on tab gesture. So in this gesture we are going to delete an item. So let's see delete item. Okay, so the same wherever we are using, we need to get the same thing. If you want, you can do it in a global also. So I'm just doing here delete item. Okay, so for deleting an item, we need an item first. Which item is this? So for that we need to pass this item into it. So we are going to noticed nodes. Okay, so with this nodes, and then we are going to get this db, then realm dot right. So whatever we are updating in a database, right, which will go through and write. Okay, so get will be coming like this. It's like an object, and whatever the input we are giving, it will come as an write. Okay, so we are going to write means realm dot delete, realm dot update. So those things here we did realm dot add. Okay, the same thing we are going to do realm dot delete. The object is note. Okay, so this is how we are going to delete this. Then the note. Okay, where is it? Here only. Yeah, delete item, the note is item. Okay, so item is a note. Then we are going to call this again. We are going to update the list again. I don't have time to do all these things. Okay, we are taking a callback. After this item, we'll take a callback. Status in. Okay, so if the status in means the same thing, except we don't want to do these things. Okay, if it is deleted, we are going to do things. It will be deleted automatically from here. Okay, callback true. Okay, I stop the application and I am going to rerun. So let's see if we can click and delete the item, means it is good. So because we have a lot of duplicate items. Okay, so you can see it over here. First we'll delete. We can't find, it's an error. What is the error? Can only delete an object from a realm. It belongs to. Okay. Okay, I think we have. I think it can't identify this is a real mod. What is the realm model or not? So let's take that one first, and then we will set it again. Okay, so let objects. Okay, inside this object, self comma objects dot primary key. Okay, it's not. There's an property called, so we'll do with the document which they gave also. We don't want to do anything else. This one, realm, not realm. Okay, this one only, not dot self dot where. Okay, inside this where we have to add our conditions. The condition should be dot underscore id is equal to node dot underscore id. Okay, so which is having this id, we are taking dollar star only, right? Okay, yeah, good. Cannot assign through dollar star is immutable. Okay, is equal to, so which is having this item will come. Now this item we are adding over here. Okay, so let's try now. Actually what we deleted was is deleted already. We have on record, right? I'll add new item. So this is added, let's delete. Okay, actually it is deleting, but it's not removing. Get item nodes. Get item nodes. Okay. Let's stop it. It's deleting the item, but it's not reflecting the item back. I think I am doing some mistake in updating. So actually last time we added some product. No, that is not here. So we can delete and identify whether this call is happening or not. Okay. Yeah, it's getting. So after this, if we saw the item, 14 items, the 14. Okay. Okay, second one. Okay, third one. So it's deleting. See, 14, 13, 12 now, but it's not reflecting in the UI. If I click on the first one, it will give error. See, the thing is the item is not exist. So mistake is mine. The thing is here when I am updating, it is updating. So there it is not updating. So we need to add this one as a state property, then what is the error? Notes. What is this one? On up here. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Let's stop it. Let's run again. Let's see now. So okay, you can see now it is deleting. So the mistake is we have to add that one as an. Okay, let's add Leo male 28. Save. Okay. Male 30. Save. Jane female 25. Save. Female age. Save. Okay, so this male and all I just removed it. So I'm going to add one filter for male and female, only for male and females. Just we'll see how it is working. Okay, so the only for male I'll just add over here hut stack. So the same button, I'll just add this button. Okay, we don't want this function. Okay, all male female. Okay, so we'll add one spacer for everything. Okay, spacer. Then nothing, we are going to add one get all nodes, right? So here get node by gender. So input will be gender is equal to string. Okay, so here where, not here, here dot where, the where should be 0 dot gender is equal to gender. Okay, so whichever the gender which we are sending over here, that one will be a particular gender only will return. Okay, so what we are going to do in these actions, right? In these actions, items is equal to gender. Okay, this gender, so this is all right, so this should not come over here. Okay, here it is M, here it is F. Okay, here I'm going to add this function, not that one. Okay, So now this is for this will separate. We can add a filter with these things. So just I'm showing how we can do easily. So we have two male and two female. So if I click male, only male will show. If I click female, only female will show. If I click all of the item will be shown. Okay. So this is how we can do the where condition in this one and delete operation in the realm. Okay. Thank you.